So we in chapter 3. So we're gonna do another one now. Actually, no, we're gonna do another one. So we should art corner or endless. I can redo the whole thing. You just I don't want like trying to see this. But okay, trying to respawn them. Like these kind of bumpy. But never mind. Use this thing I made and this the cop. You already seen that. We just established that. And the guy just pulled. Okay, I'm not gonna say that yet. Gene died in his car. We start to go on. Leave. Bro, what are y'all losing their arm? They don't like their arm. No, but stop the car. Keep chasing me, not okay. If y'all stop the car, y'all get less time in jail. No, you're trying to chase me for money. For what? Oh, for fun. Bye, guys. Whoa, whoa. Stop the car immediately. Or I'm gonna shoot your tires. Nice. Samuel, I will get you. Whee! My back. If I'm far enough, I can get rid. Otherwise, I'm gonna fall. You can catch me alive. I'll head to my house and we'll salvage a plan. I always love to see it. That's perfect. No stamina. Oh, oh, but this must be so long. And I can straight down the street. Oh, he shut the car. Oh no, get Jerry. Is it going to rain? No, screw it. My door locked. Oh, so bust the window then. Because I'm fixing for this. Can you move the door? Because I just moved away from fire. So I just look, I said, look. You can catch him if you just let me go. You said you've been driving away from me. trying to sleep. Do you really think that I'm gonna let you slide? No. Right? J-Dell. He's my favorite. I don't care about stuff free. It sucks. You told J-Dell. Right now. Get down! What? Shoot! Come here! Oh no! Oh! Die already! Die! I will see you, J-Dell! Oh. J-Dell, get in the car! I'm following you to kill Sammy. What? I'm your biggest fan. I thought you played still. No, I've been playing Girl Garden for like 6 months. Like I already got used to it. Even though nothing good spawns. Okay, again, police call. Okay, let's get out of here. Whee! There's any house up ahead. I saw a house before. Hmm. Whoa, you doing quick. Yeah, because you killed the cat. It's us against the wall. Yeah, go just right. Ah, oh my god. He on the cockroach. Oh, okay. Ah. It's okay. I can just respawn them. It's good. You're already 7 minutes in. Okay. No, I'm almost there. You got to read his door. You got to with the set of suicide fire. But the end. You got to run through that door. As fast as I can. Okay, I think I need to just take a break. Break outside. It's cool to me. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. I got Santa. He's on my watch. He will watch. Where's the cops? Where's the cops? No! Wait, it's gonna hit me! No! No, no, no! Oh! Rope you! Oh! 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 Ah, oh my god! We killed the Santa dude. We did it! We killed Santa. Unexpected. Now let's find out his house. Yeah, it's a slow restart. Yeah, we did it. Killed the owner. Son! No! You gotta pay for that. Sammy right there. Hey. Oh, wrong thing. What? Okay. I'm gonna kill you all. Yeah, I'm gonna kill my son. I'm gonna kill you. I'm about to set you on the brain fire. Go, 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 go. You want this jail now? Come on then, Samuel. Stop. 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 get up. No. Point, point, point. Call me Sam for no reason.
You need to vaporize that sore throat. Faithful cool drops. Sore throat relief with Rush.
I'm gonna put you in that fire. I'm gonna hope you'll enjoy. Feeling you. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. We'll put them downstairs because this room would be on fire. Yeah. Go there, Jandale. Yeah. No, no, no. Help! Help! Somebody help me! I don't want to die anymore. Please help me! I keep dying. I keep dying here. No! You enjoy Jando. No! 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 I got a family. Oh my god. Ah, I'm burning. I'm burning. Help. Help me. Come on. No. No. Like Jim Doe. Been friends for years with my old friend. I'm ready for that deal. Yeah, you want a new house too? Yeah, then I will find out murdered. And ain't no more Gando. And then I think we should end the chapters. Because Gando's not here no more. I will always be here. Like, you see that? See what? I saw Gando in the fire burning, bruh. Gando ain't alive. He's dead. Officially. Maybe I'm just saying. Yeah, maybe you is. Yeah, but what are you gonna do? Let's go make that bread. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's better. I knew I wasn't imagining. Oh, I escaped the fire. I'll always be here. Oh my god! Oh, 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 oh. I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Oh, G-Dub's always on top. No more Sammy, guys. I just killed Sammy, the owner of the game, and we can't do not die.